Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pho using a convenient packet. First, let's get that flavorful broth going. Combine your pho packet with approximately 8 cups of water in a large pot. Don't forget to add some fresh aromatics, like a 2-inch piece of ginger and 1 whole onion, halved, to deepen the flavor profile. Let this simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 1 hour, to extract all those wonderful essences. While your broth is simmering, it's time to prepare the other components. For the noodles, follow the package instructions. Typically, this involves soaking thin rice noodles in hot water for about 10 minutes or a quick boil. Next, thinly slice your protein of choice, perhaps 4 ounces of raw beef or cooked chicken. Also, get your fresh garnishes ready, like a handful of cilantro, a few sprigs of basil, and some bean sprouts. Now for the exciting part, assembling your pho bowl. Start by placing a generous portion of your prepared rice noodles into a large, deep serving bowl. Next, artfully arrange your thinly sliced protein on top of the noodles. Then, add your fresh garnishes, such as a 1/4 cup of bean sprouts, a few basil leaves, and a lime wedge. Finally, carefully ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth over everything, ensuring the protein cooks slightly if it's raw. To truly make your pho your own, offer a selection of condiments. A squeeze of lime, a dash of hoisin sauce, or a dollop of sriracha can elevate the flavors. Feel free to add more fresh herbs, like extra cilantro, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for a kick. This quick and easy method allows you to enjoy a comforting bowl of pho at home, perfectly tailored to your taste. Savor every delicious spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.